This new kit from Power-TEC was developed to repair small to medium sized damage on plastic panels and bodywork. First, identify the type of plastic. PP means polypropylene. Remove the paint to reveal the bare plastic. If mesh is to be used to reinforce the repair, cut to size. Ignite the butane powered plastic welding tool. Once it's up to temperature, the mesh is pressed into the plastic. If more material is necessary, choose the correct filler rod for polypropylene. Then melt into the adjacent plastic and smooth over using the welding head to achieve the desired shape. The repair is then sanded down to continue with the preparation and painting. The versatile new butane gas-powered plastic welding kit from Power-TEC.